Today we are going to discuss हाइड्रोकार्बन टॉपिक है ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में. हाइड्रोकार्बन में alkane, alkene, alkyne है. What are the preparation methods and properties we are going to discuss that, particularly hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbon? Everybody might know that compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. देखो compound containing carbon and hydrogen is called hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons में alkanes भी hydrocarbon है, alkene, alkane, benzene. Now we are going to discuss alkanes हैं in the chapter में, alkenes हैं, alkynes हैं, and aromatic hydrocarbons में benzene. In our 11th syllabus में we have alkane, alkene, alkyne and benzene. What are the preparation methods and properties we are going to discuss? And isomerism part already we discussed optical isomerism, geometrical isomerism, conformation isomerism in the part, right? Sure. One by one we can discuss. Achha, what is important like hydrocarbon plays important role in our daily life as a fuel cell. Everybody might know that this is a LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. I think which is containing hydrocarbon, mixture of hydrocarbons only. Nothing but N-butane only. CNG, compressed natural gas, nothing but combination of hydrocarbons only. Like LNG, liquefied natural gas, and most of the hydrocarbons are used as a fuels. Hydrocarbons are used as a fuel, like CNG, LPG, etc. It plays very important role in our daily life, particularly hydrocarbons, where we can use as a fuel generally. These are also used for manufacture of polymers. PVC, I think everybody knows polyvinyl chloride. Polyethylene. They also use it for the manufacture of dyes and drugs. Hydrocarbons plays very important role in our daily life. Classification of hydrocarbon. What are the syllabus in 11th standard? Classification of hydrocarbon. Based on the bonds present between the carbon atoms. Carbon carbon के बीच में single bond है alkane है, double bond alkene है, double bond alkyne है, and aromatic compound is benzene है. So hydrocarbons का classification once you can check it. Saturated है, unsaturated है, aromatic है. Saturated का example है alkane है. Between carbon and carbon single bonds are there. And alkene है, between carbon and carbon double bond is there. Alkyne hai, one more is between carbon and carbon triple bond is called alkyne hai. And aromatic compound ke liye benzene hai. These are which are given in our 11th standard syllabus in organic chemistry. So what are saturated hydrocarbons? We know carbon valency 4 hai. All the 4 valencies satisfied by 4 different atoms or groups are similar atoms also. All 4 valencies are satisfied by 4 atoms. The 4 groups. Groups or atoms may be same or different only. Example है alkane, cycloalkanes are example for saturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturation क्या है? Which containing double bond, triple bond between two essential carbon atoms is called unsaturation. Best example है alkene and alkyne. Ethene and ethane are example for this one. What are cycloalkanes? Cycloalkanes are nothing but alicyclic compound. Acyclic, alicyclic compound है. Cyclopropane है, cyclopentane है, cyclohexane है. देख लीजिए. These are cyclic compound. Properties are similar to alicyclic compound. These are देखो, these are cyclic compound, but properties are similar to aliphatic compound. That's why these are called alicyclic compound. Alicyclic compound the best example cycloalkanes. Cycloalkanes are also saturated hydrocarbons. Cyclobutane, cyclopentane, right? अच्छा, hydrocarbons can be classified based on the number of bonds between the carbon atoms in two. अच्छा, saturated, unsaturated, aromatic. What a classification of what are syllabus in our 11th organic chemistry में ये वाला. अच्छा, which of the following saturated hydrocarbon? Carbon carbon बीच में single bond है, saturated है. अच्छा, double bond unsaturation है, triple bond is also unsaturation है. अच्छा, only one compound में all are single bonds are there, that is called saturated hydrocarbon. अच्छा, alkanes है, preparation methods and properties we are going to discuss. अच्छा, preparation methods of alkane है. अच्छा, first preparation method is from unsaturated hydrocarbons. Like alkene from alkynes, this is called Sabatier-Sanderson reaction also. Sabatier-Sanderson reaction also. From unsaturated hydrocarbons to saturated hydrocarbons. Preparation of alkane first method है. अच्छा, second method है from alkyl, reduction of alkyl again we get alkanes only. From salts of carboxylic acids है. अच्छा, we know already we discussed separate video coal-based electrolysis है. Now one by one we are going to discuss है. देखो, from unsaturated hydrocarbons है, from unsaturated hydrocarbons है. देखो, reactions of this is called Sabatier-Sanderson reaction है. अच्छा, याद करो, this reaction is called Sabatier-Sanderson reaction only. Sabatier-Sanderson reaction only. So क्या reaction of alkenes or alkynes with hydrogen in the base of nickel at about 300 is called Sabatier-Sanderson reaction only. And there is no control there. There is no control there. देखो, एग्जाम्पल देखो. अच्छा, देखो एग्जाम्पल देखो. अल्कीन हाइड्रोजनेशन है इन द presence of nickel at about 300 degrees Celsius. अच्छा, alkane is formed. This is general example है. अच्छा, ethylene hydrogenation in the presence we get ethane only. अच्छा, there is no control this reaction only. Alkene also convert into alkane, alkyne also convert into alkane only. This is called Sabatier-Sanderson reaction only. अच्छा, this is also propene convert into propane. So number of carbon में कोई difference है. How many carbons are present? Same number of carbon alkane is obtained only. So first method is preparation of alkane from unsaturated hydrocarbons है. This is called Sabatier-Sanderson reaction only. From alkynes, when alkyne is reacted with hydrogen in the presence of nickel, again hydrogen, these are called hydrogenation reaction. अच्छा, alkyne in previously we used 1 mole of hydrogen, now you can use 2 moles of hydrogen. Here you can use 2 moles of hydrogen, previously 1 mole of hydrogen. देखो, alkane now ethane. अच्छा, heat of hydrogenation is always inversely proportional to stability of the alkene only. I think in alkene, I think you studied an alkene. Heat of hydrogenation inversely proportional to stability of the alkene. At the time of Sage-Jock rule also we discussed that. Heat of hydrogenation is inversely proportional to stability of the alkene. अच्छा, ethylene. अच्छा, ethylene containing how many carbon? 2 carbon. Ethylene containing how many carbon? 2 carbon. 2 carbon. अच्छा, we get 2 carbon alkane है. 2 carbon alkane देख लीजिए क्या है. 2 carbon alkane is ethane. नंबर ऑफ कार्बन में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं. Conversion of unsaturated compound into saturated compound is called. Next आप देख लीजिए. अच्छा, number of moles चाहिए. देखिए, how many double bonds? Only one double bond है. That's why 1 mole of hydrogen is required. अच्छा, triple bond के लिए 2 moles of hydrogen required है. I think in case of benzene, suppose using benzene है, benzene के लिए 3 moles of hydrogen is required. अच्छा, we get cyclohexane. अच्छा, how many pi bonds are there? That number of hydrogens are required. 1 pi bond is there, 1 hydrogen. 2 pi bonds are there, 2 hydrogen. 3 by 1 says 3 hydrogens are required. Number of moles of hydrogen. अच्छा, next preparation of method from alkyl halides. अच्छा, very simple है, from alkyl halides है. अच्छा, RX है. Reducing agents, we can use any reducing agent है, lithium aluminum है, sodium. Any reducing agent you can use. Zinc copper couple in ethyl alcohol you can use, lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydrate. Any you can use conversion into RH, alkane conversion. देखो, very simple funda. Reduction of alkyl halides except fluorides with the zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid gives alkane. Zinc and dilute HCl also nothing but production of hydrogen only. Addition of hydrogen is reduction only. Any reducing agent you can use it. Zinc copper couple in ethyl alcohol also reducing agent. Example है. अच्छा, we can get CH4. ये number of carbons also. How many carbon alkyl halides? Same number of alkane is obtained in this method only. अच्छा, anyone, suppose if you want to prepare 2 moles of hydrogen, 2 moles of carbon, then you can take 2 moles of alkyl halide. Means 2 carbon alkyl halide. अच्छा, देखो, we can use, these are also reducing agent. These are also used as a reducing agent. HA red phosphorus है, zinc copper couple ethyl alcohol है, sodium ethoxide है, etc. Lithium aluminum hydride है, sodium borohydride है. All reducing agent you can use it to convert alkyl halide into alkane. In this method, methane also prepared because we know Wurtz reaction methane cannot be prepared. There were a few examples. How many carbon? That same number of alkane is obtained. अच्छा, देखो, by Wurtz reaction है. अच्छा, already we made one video. Please, if any students have any doubt, see the special video for Wurtz reaction. We discuss Wurtz reaction special video. अच्छा, Wurtz reaction is nothing but condensation of alkyl halide with sodium metal in the presence of inert solvent. When alkyl halides are heated with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, inert solvent, higher alkanes are formed. अच्छा, in this method, methane cannot be prepared. They may ask the question, which are the following method methane cannot be prepared? Wurtz reaction methane cannot be prepared. This reaction is called Wurtz reaction. This method is used to prepare higher alkanes or even number of carbon atoms. Because odd number के लिए it is not valid. It is higher alkanes of even number of carbon atoms. Of course, tertiary alkyl halide instead of alkane, alkenes are major compound formed. Exceptions are we are discussing. Because you take an odd number of, suppose 2 not symmetrical, unsymmetrical alkyl halides are taken, we get a number of products, but all are homologous series. In homologous series, boiling point difference is less than 20. We have to separate by using fractional distillation. It is very costly, fractional distillation. That's why we should not use for preparation of alkane for odd number of alkane, but it is better used for symmetrical alkane, even number of carbon atom here. Example देखो, इस सोडियम मेटल है, this is example for free radical mechanism. We discuss it simply. Wurtz reaction is example for free radical mechanism. It is example for free radical mechanism. Example for free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism. अच्छा, mechanism, everything is given in a separate video for Wurtz reaction. We can check it. अच्छा, when different alkyl halides are taken, mixture of hydrocarbons will be formed. Different alkyl. देखो, एक example देखते हैं हम different alkyl halides के लिए. Example देखो, एक इथाइल ब्रोमाइड है, एक मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड है। अच्छा क्या बनेगा एक बात देख लीजिए, दिस इज वन प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर्म्ड प्रोपेन, अनदर इज देखो, अच्छा वी गो फॉर 2 moles of ethyl bromide, C4 butane. अच्छा 2 moles of methyl bromide, ethane is formed. अच्छा 1 mole of this, 1 mole of this, these all are homologous series है. Very difficult to separate the this like butane, propane and ethane होते हैं because boiling point difference less than 20 होता है. So that's why this method is not suitable for preparation of unsymmetrical alkane. अच्छा core substances are there which are not given NCERT syllabus है, but Uji reaction में which is useful for preparation of symmetrical alkanes only. अच्छा in Uji reaction gives what? Butane. Propine under hydrogenation gives. Propine means 3 carbon alkane. Propine is nothing but 3 carbon alkane. अच्छा there is no controller, uncontrolled hydrogenation मतलब क्या 3 carbon alkane even formed. This is nothing but Sabatier-Henderson reduction. अच्छा उच्च रिएक्शन में कोई एक्सेप्शन कैसा है? सपोज उच्च रिएक्शन में is not applicable to उच्च रिएक्शन is not applicable to preparation of methane. Preparation of methane के लिए it is not valid है. And second is in case of tertiary alkyl halide, alkenes are major compound because disproportionate action take place. Alkenes are major compounds. अच्छा any exception case are given, you can go for exception case है. अच्छा उच्च reaction में instead of sodium zinc is used, that is called Franklin reaction only. In उच्च reaction instead of sodium, if we used zinc, that reaction is called Franklin reaction. Franklin reaction. That reaction is called Franklin reaction. So Uji reaction is not applicable to preparation of methane. In case of tertiary alkyl, alkenes are major compound. So one more named reaction, instead of sodium zinc is used, then that reaction is called Franklin reaction. Right? Uji reaction is an example of free radical mechanism. अच्छा इनका మీకు detailed explanation కావాలంటే then you can go for our separate video for Uji reaction. Because there I discussed the intramolecular Uji reaction also. अच्छा from salts of carboxylic acids. अच्छा we discussed है in decarboxylation also we discussed है, coal based electrolytes also discussed है. अच्छा ये decarboxylation of sodium salts of fatty acids है. अच्छा चलो this is an example for formation of carbon ion. This example for formation of carbon ion. अच्छा we can use soda lime also. With soda lime, देखो what is soda lime? NaOH, CaOH, soda lime. अच्छा degradation here. One carbon. Suppose I want to take a CH3COONA, NaOH, CaO. अच्छा Na2CO3 is removed. अच्छा methane plus Na2CO3. One carbon less, ये 2 carbon salts are taken and get 1 carbon alkane only. Degradation reaction में use करता है. अच्छा important, what is the use of calcium oxide? Without calcium hydroxide also we got CH4Na2CO3, removal of CO2 in the form of Na2CO3. But what is the use of CaO? Because we know sodium hydroxide is deliquescent substance, which is a deliquescent substance. Deliquescent substance which can absorb water molecule. Suppose it can absorb water molecule along with salt, coal based electrolysis बनेगा. Preparation of alkene different instead of methane ethane बनेगा. In order to avoid the formation of byproducts, then you can use calcium oxide to keep all the equation in dry state only. So because NaOH equations which absorbs water molecule, CaO is a drying agent which absorbs water molecule, keep a reaction in dry state only. Then only methane is a major compound. This decarboxylation में formation of carbanides intermediate compound. This reaction is called decarboxylation because what? Because removal of CO2 is called decarboxylation. अच्छा एक एग्जांपल देखो, जनरल रिएक्शन है RCONA NaOH in the presence of CaO. अच्छा alkane plus Na2CO3. अच्छा NaOH and CaO in the ratio 3:1 you have to take in. This is called soda lime. Soda lime is NaOH and CaO in the ratio 3:1. अच्छा from in this method benzene also prepared है by using this method. This methane. So if suppose 3 carbon, suppose here you can take 3 carbon. अच्छा 2 carbon alkane आएंगे. Degradation reaction. This is a degradation reaction. 2 carbon में आएंगे. अच्छा ethane आएंगे. That's why carbon आयन ना, ये carbon आयन है. CH3 minus carbon आयन. ये carbon आयन बनेगा. Intermediate compound carbon आयन बनेगा. अच्छा you have any doubt? You can take a separate video for decarboxylation. We made mechanism also there. From carboxylic acid, देखो carboxylic acid. Here also free radical mechanism. In carboxylic acid also mechanism is nothing but free radical mechanism. Here free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism. Coal based electrolysis. अच्छा previous example में water आएंगे तो ना, if suppose NaOH absorbs CO water आए, this reaction is reverse one instead of previous one. That's why there you can use calcium oxide to keep the reaction in dry state only. अच्छा electrolysis है. अच्छा alkane. Here also this is preparation of even number of carbon atoms. Just like Uji reaction, even number. In the odd number, a mixture of the compounds will be formed. Again, if you have any doubt in mechanism, because NCERT mechanism is not given, you have mechanism. We made one particular video for coal-based electrolysis. You go and check the coal-based electrolysis mechanism there. But NCERT में क्या दिया? What I am going to express because revision nothing but in one class I will finish complete alkanes preparation as properties only. At anode and cathode. अच्छा देखो मैकेनिज्म है. अच्छा ये बनेगा, देखो ये फ्री रेडिकल बनेगा, यहाँ फ्री रेडिकल बनेगा प्लस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. अच्छा यहाँ 2 मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल है, मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल रिएक्शन टर्मिनेटेड है, we get alkane. देखो we get alkane. ये कैथोड. एंड कैथोड का रिएक्शन क्या होता है? कैथोड का हाइड्रोजन एसिड लिबरेटेड है. अच्छा देखो एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ alkane देखो, once again. Now in the same, I can go for CH3 COONA, CH3 COONA. अच्छा this सोडियम एस्टेट के लिए, अच्छा CH2 COONA, सोडियम सक्सिनेटर, अगेन हाइड्रोलिसिस रिएक्शन है, इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस रिएक्शन का. अच्छा कैसे करूंगा एक बार देख लीजिए. अच्छा यहां से, अच्छा these two are at anode है, मतलब CH3 बॉन्ड ले लो, बॉन्ड रास्ता में CH3 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3 रास्ता में ईथेन. अच्छा दिस मेथड आल्सो मीथेन कैन नॉट बी प्रिपेयर्ड है, प्लस 2CO2 at anode. अच्छा 2 NaOH plus H2 at cathode. अच्छा सिमिलरली यहाँ भी ऐसा है, लेकिन क्लीवेज लाइक दिस, यहाँ भी ऐसा है। अच्छा यह अल्कीन बनेगा, अच्छा ओनली वन बॉन्ड इधर बट वन मोर बॉन्ड है, अल्कीन है, द रेस्ट इज सेम ओनली, CO2 NaOH CH2 इज सेम ओनली। अच्छा जस्ट लाइक अल्कीन, दिस इज अल्कीन है, इथीन है, इथीन है, इथाइन आल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड सेम मैनर ओनली। इन केस ऑफ सपोज आई कैन गो फॉर इट CH double bond CH COONE, COONE, sodium malleate or fumarate. Suppose here I go for HOH, this is called sodium fumarate, sodium fumarate or malleate, fumarate, fumarate है। आप देख लीजिए यहाँ क्या होना चाहिए, ये वाला, अच्छा ये सेम है, सेम फंडा है, ये इथाइन इज प्रिपेयर्ड है, मतलब कोल बेस इलेक्ट्रोlysis uses preparation of alkane, alkene, alkane also, right? But this method is not useful preparation of methane. Now additional information, what are given preparation methods of alkane है, देख लेते हैं what are additional methods preparation of alkanes है। Preparation of Grignard reagent, अच्छा we already discussed Grignard reagent application on particular video. You have any doubt, we can check the Grignard reagent video also. RMGX, particularly RMGX react with any organic compound which containing acidic hydrogens, conditions है। अच्छा कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड containing acidic hydrogen है, देखो वाटर containing acidic hydrogen है, ड्यूटेरियम ऑक्साइड also containing acidic hydrogen है, एसिलिन containing acidic hydrogen है, एमाइड containing acidic hydrogen है, अमोनिया containing acidic hydrogen है, अल्कोहल containing acidic hydrogen है। अच्छा वेरी सिंपल फंडा, बेस्ट एग्जांपल सपोज मैंने RMGX को लिया, अच्छा ड्यूटेरियम ऑक्साइड किया, अच्छा क्या बनेगा, RD बनेगा, ड्यूटेरो अल्केन बनेगा, MgODX बनेगा। इन केस ऑफ एमाइड आल्सो सेम है, CH3MgBr है, अच्छा एमाइड है, CH3CONH है, अच्छा दिस हाइड्रोजन को क्या बोलते हैं, एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन है, अच्छा ये CH4 बनेगा, MgBr, NHC डबल बॉन्ड O C। अच्छा इन्हीं अल्कोहल में भी एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन है, देखो ये अल्कोहल में भी एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन है, अमोनिया में भी एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन है, अच्छा एसिलिन में भी एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन है, वाटर में भी एसिडिक हाइड्रोजन है। Whenever a compound containing acidic hydrogen reacts with Grignard reagent, ultimate compounds are alkanes. Ultimate compounds are alkanes. अच्छा additional information, so many times asked the applications of Grignard reagent. From carbonyl compound like Clemmensen reduction है, Wolff-Fishner reduction है, HI red phosphorus है, from carbonyl compound we get alkanes also. अच्छा जिंक amalgam HCl है, this is called Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction में C double bond वो changes into CH2. Clemmensen reduction में C double bond वो changes into CH2 है, Clemmensen reduction बोलते हैं। अच्छा same Wolff-Fishner reduction also there, but reagent is different one. But Clemmensen reduction not applicable to, this is not applicable to acid sensitive reaction. अच्छा this is not applicable to acid sensitive reaction है। acid sensitive reaction not applicable to acid sensitive reaction है। अच्छा Wolff-Fishner reduction also same है, देखो Wolff-Fishner reduction है, ये Wolff-Fishner reduction है, but reagent is different है, but conversion more or less same only। Wolff-Fishner reduction है। अच्छा Wolff-Fishner reduction not applicable to base sensitive reaction है, this is not applicable to base sensitive reaction, not applicable to base sensitive reaction है। Base sensitive reaction के लिए this is not applicable on, acid sensitive reaction के Clemmensen reaction not applicable on। लाइक स्पेशल मेथड्स हैं. स्पेशल मेथड्स क्या होता है? एल्यूमिनियम कार्बाइड, बेरिलियम कार्बाइड अनहाइड्रोस गिव्स मीथेन. इसका मीथेनाइट्स बोलते हैं. एल्यूमिनियम कार्बाइड को एंड बेरिलियम कार्बाइड को मीथेनाइट्स बोलते हैं. मीथेनाइट्स बोलते हैं बिकॉज मीथेनाइट्स गिव्स मीथेन ओनली. Aluminum carbide, beryllium carbide gives methane only. Special method preparation of methane. These are. Which of the following compound cannot be prepared by Kolb's electrolysis? Methane cannot be prepared. Methane cannot be prepared at Kolb's. Like Uji reaction also methane cannot be prepared. So next, physical properties of the alkanes. So देखो alkanes are non-polar because of CC bond are nothing but more or less same En values only. Because non-polar molecule. Non-polar molecules are insoluble in water only. So between them is weak van der Waals force of attraction. As the molecular weight increases, force of attraction also will increase. So boiling point will increases only. So according to boiling point, more surface area, more will be the boiling point. Because first 4 members of alkanes are gases हैं. अच्छा 5 to 17 are liquids है. Remaining higher alkanes are nothing but solids only. देखो as the molecular weight increases, boiling point also decreases. In case of chain isomers, the isomer which is more branched is less boiling point है. एग्जाम्पल देखो. अच्छा देखो ये एग्जाम्पल देखो. एग्जाम्पल एन पेंटेन है. मोर सरफेस एरिया. देखो यहाँ सरफेस एरिया मोर वैन डर वाल्स फोर्सेस. अच्छा आइसोपेंटेन के लिए अच्छा ये सर्विस एरिया डिक्रीज होता है, लेस वैन डर वाल्स फोर्सेस है. अच्छा नियोपेंटेन के लिए नियोपेंटेन स्टिल सर्विस एरिया डिक्रीजेस होते हैं. अच्छा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू सॉल्युबिलिटी होगा. अच्छा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू सॉल्युबिलिटी होगा. इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू सॉल्युबिलिटी. देखो ये वाला. अच्छा alkanes with even number of carbon atoms are more melting point than their preceding and succeeding of carbon atom. अच्छा देखो even number of carbon atoms कैसा होता है. अच्छा देखो 1 2 3 दिस इज ऑड नंबर है. अच्छा इवन नंबर कैसा होता है? ये वाला इवन नंबर है. 1 2 3 4 है. अच्छा 1 2 3 4 5 देखो. देखो both ends are same side ना. Both ends are opposite side ना. Repulsions are minimum. ये repulsions are maximum. Both ends same side, repulsions are maximum है. Opposite है minimum है. That's why you having a more melting point than their preceding and succeeding of alkanes only. The reason is away from each other, less with the repulsions, and then to break we require more boiling point, more melting point. But here same side है, repulsions are maximum. That's why this is the reason. And generally alkanes are non-polarized, so insoluble in water. But the molecular weight increases and solubility decreases only. Alkanes are insoluble in water and hydrophobic in nature because alkyl groups are hydrophobic, soluble in heating. Alkanes are soluble in organic solvents. As the molecular weight increases, solubility decreases. As I said, na, boiling point inversely proportional to solubility. Achha, uses petrol and the lower fractions of petroleum are used for dry cleaning purpose only. which of the following has the least melting point? अच्छा, least melting point means less molecular weight. Less molecular weight देखो इसमें क्या है, ethane is less molecular weight है. Sorry, they're asking melting point है. Melting point देखो even number, odd number है. Odd number is having less, odd number of alkanes having less melting point than even number. अच्छा, even number of carbon is more melting point than preceding succeeding members. Boiling point के लिए different है. Which of the following है high boiling point? अच्छा, boiling point क्या है? N-pentane isomer है, isopentane, neopentane and propane. अच्छा, propane से compare से pentane is high molecular weight है, more boiling point है. Then neopentane more branch, less surface area, less boiling point. अच्छा, no branch, more surface area, more van der Waals forces, more boiling point. अच्छा देखो, chemical properties of the alkanes. What are the chemical properties of alkane? We are going to discuss. अच्छा, substitution reaction है. These are also example for free radical mechanism. Substitution reactions are example for free radical mechanism. Example for free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism. Example for free radical mechanism. अच्छा, fluorination is very vigorous. Even in the presence of dark also reaction take place. Fluorination, okay. In the presence of light and bromination, iodination is very slow, reversible reactions also. These are called examples of substitution. Replacement of an atom or a group, another atom or a group is nothing but substitution reactions, sir. In alkane, instead of hydrogen, any halogen atom, chlorine, bromine, iodine, like fluorine, is nothing but substitution reactions. अच्छा, halogenation देखो. अच्छा, halogenation because at a high temperature में free radical generated होता है. You know, in the presence of peroxide, in the presence of UV light, in the presence of sunlight, at high temperature above 500 degrees centigrade, free radicals are generated. अच्छा, substitution reactions है, देख लीजिए. मीथेन है, in the presence of UV light है. अच्छा, methyl chloride. These are chain reactions है. These are chain reactions है. Further, one more chlorination है. We get methylene chloride है. Dichloromethane is called methylene chloride है. अच्छा, one more possibility there. One more possibility there. Substitution reactions में. अच्छा, this time CHCl3 chloroform है. Again, one more. But after that, there is no possibility because hydrogens, all hydrogens are replaced. Ultimate compounds is this is chain reactions. Chain propagation, chain termination, all are involved in this mechanism only. अच्छा, reactivity देखो. बट ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्टिविटी के लिए मैंने ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्टिविटी के लिए फ्लोरिनेशन इज मोर रिएक्टिव देन क्लोरिनेशन देन ब्रोमिनेशन देन आयोडीनेशन. अच्छा, रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर. अच्छा, इन alkanes में रिएक्टिविटी ऑर्डर इज tertiary hydrogens are more reactive than secondary hydrogen than primary hydrogen. Reactivity order in alkanes. A reactivity order in halogens only. Iodination is a reversible reaction. Fluorination is very vigorous in the presence of dark also reactions are taking place. Actually, there are three steps are there. Chain initiation है, chain propagation है, chain termination only. Chain initiation में free radicals है and reaction proceeds है, termination में end होता है. With any two free radicals are combined, chain is terminate होता है. देखो, CCl bond is weaker than CC and CH bond है. होमोलिटिक फ्यूजन में हाई टेम्परेचर में इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ यूवी लाइट में फ्री रेडिकल जनरेट होता है. दिस दैट्स व्हाई इज कॉल्ड फ्री रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज जनरेशन ऑफ फ्री रेडिकल है. दिस इज जनरेशन ऑफ फ्री रेडिकल. जनरेशन ऑफ फ्री रेडिकल. अच्छा, व्हेन फ्लोरीन फ्री रेडिकल अटैक्स द मीथेन मॉलिक्यूल, it breaks the CH bond to methyl free radical only. अच्छा देखो इस कैसा अच्छा నేను ఇంకా సింపుల్ గా రాయాలంటే మీకు CH ఇలా రాసి अच्छा హైడ్రోజన్ రాసి ఇక్కడ నేను బాండింగ్ ఇలా రాస్తాను अच्छा ఈ రెండు HCl ఫామ్ అవుతుంది మిథైల్ ఫ్రీ రాడికల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది ఇది చైన్ प्रोपगेशन में जाता है चेन प्रोपगेशन में जाता है अच्छा मिथाइल फ्री रेडिकल रिएक्ट विद वन मोर फ्लोरीन मॉलिक्यूल अब देखो यार यहाँ भी बॉन्ड है यहाँ भी बॉन्ड है अच्छा इसमें ज्वाइन करता है मिथाइल क्लोराइड एंड फ्री दिस रिएक्शन इज कंटिन्यूअसली प्रोपगेटेड है दिस रिएक्शन प्रोपगेटेड है both step A and step B repeated many number of times before obtaining the main product only many number of means until unless there is no hydrogen alkane the reaction is terminated stops the reaction between any two free radical is nothing but chain termination reactions hota hai chain termination reactions hai like Cl2 आएंगे अच्छा methyl है methyl free radical आएंगे अच्छा methyl Cl नहीं methyl chloride आएंगे these are called chain termination reactions hai any two free radicals are combined now देख लीजिए rate of the replacement of hydrogen atoms of alkane is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary rate of the reaction of alkane with halogens is fluorination is greater than chlorine than bromine we know for your kind of information hydrogenation is a reversible reaction is a reversible reaction so that's why you can add periodic acid HiO3 or you can add HNO3 also in order to avoid the reversible reaction only fluorination very vigorous sign you find some dark also reactions are taking place hydrogenation is very slow and reversible reaction acha fluorination is a very violent very vigorous reaction only hydrogenation can be carried out in the presence of oxidizing agent like HiO3 and HNO3 otherwise reversible reactions are taking place so this is very important they may ask the questions like how will control the reversible reactions of hydrogenation is by adding HiO3 and HNO3 example देखो hydrogenation के लिए right अच्छा which mechanism is generally substitution reactions of free radical mechanism is a free radical mechanism only अच्छा initiation also propagation also termination also all the above is correct only all the above is correct only देखो other chemical properties है alkanes है combustion reactions है very simple है अच्छा combustion reaction का हमका जनरल फार्मूला भी लिखता है व्हाट इज जनरल फार्मूला combustion reaction है CXHY X plus Y by 4 O2 XCO2 plus Y by 2 H2O delta H is equal to negative combustion reaction most of the mole concept problems में idiometry problem में generally using the reaction is combustion of hydrocarbon है वाला whether it is methane ethane propane ethylene whatever may be any hydrocarbon combustion reaction you have to write like this one is highly exothermic delta H is equal negative all combustion reactions are exothermic reactions all combustion reactions are highly exothermic reaction energy released right that is called exothermic reactions so generally fused maniki generally used as a fuel sound because combustion reaction energy released अच्छा एक एग्जांपल देख लीजिए डेल्टा H is equal to -890 मतलब 890 kilojoules per mole 1 mole of CH4 on burning it can produce 890 kilojoules of energy अच्छा don't be panic about this reaction simply you can go for CXHY X plus Y by 4 O2 don't mug up this XCO2 plus Y by 2 H2. That's it. अच्छा कि X place లో n ఉంది, Y place లో 2n plus 2. That's it. Don't mug up this equation. Just you can go because on the mole concept problems also using this equation. CXHY X plus Y by 4 O2 XCO2 plus Y by 2. This is also used. अच्छा incomplete combustion, these are very important. Incomplete combustion क्या होता है? Catalytic combustion बोलते हैं. Catalytic incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion of methane, carbon black is formed, which is used in ink black pigments and filters only. And catalytic oxidation also there. Complete combustion, incomplete combustion, and catalytic combustion. Catalytic oxidation बोलता है. Catalytic oxidation में methyl alcohol भी formaldehyde भी prepare है. Manganese dioxide में देखो limited supply of water high pressure in the presence of catalyst is very important. Catalytic oxidation बोलता है. अच्छा previous class का this question is अच्छा preparation of methyl alcohol. Copper we are using copper at about 100 atm methyl alcohol. Catalytic oxidation बोलते हैं. अच्छा in presence of molybdenum oxide है आपको formaldehyde बनेगा. In case of molybdenum oxide में formaldehyde preparation में formaldehyde prepare है. अच्छा catalytic oxidation में two different है. Preparation of methyl alcohol, preparation of formaldehyde है. अच्छा मैंगनीज एस्टेट है. मैंगनीज एस्टेट में देखो क्या बनेगा, एसिटिक एसिड बनेगा. सो कैटालिटिक ऑक्सीडेशन में देयर आर 3 आर गिवन इन एनसीईआरटी टेक्स्ट बुक है. फॉर्माल्डिहाइड है, मिथाइल अल्कोहल है एंड एसिटिक एसिड है. कैटालिटिक ऑक्सीडेशन है. अच्छा कंप्लीट कंबशन में CO2 plus H2O. इनकम्प्लीट कंबशन में ओनली कार्बन ब्लैक ओनली ऑब्टेन. अच्छा कंट्रोल ऑक्सीडेशन है. जनरली if suppose CC bond is there, very difficult to undergo oxidation, very difficult to cleavage CC bond. अच्छा tertiary hydrogen is there ना, so in the presence of KMnO4 it undergoes oxidation, gives a tertiary alcohol sign. Tertiary alcohol sign देखो, tertiary hydrogen है, it undergoes tertiary alcohol sign. Generally alkanes are inert for oxidation. Alkanes are nothing but paraffins only, inert for oxidation, but in the presence of tertiary alkane it gives a tertiary alcohol. अच्छा we know alkyl benzene है. Whenever alkyl benzene है, whatever may be the length of the side chain है, where methyl है, ethyl है, propyl है, isopropyl है, whenever benzyl ions are present, it undergoes oxidation, it gives the corresponding carboxylic acids only. But here this is not a benzene, so sorry, here tertiary hydrogen is there. This hydrogen is tertiary hydrogen, it undergoes oxidation, gives a tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols. On control oxidation of heat in the presence of manganese acetate, it gives acetic acid. Manganese acetate and acetic acid. Molybdenum oxide is formaldehyde. Copper is nothing but methyl alcohol. अच्छा सिंपली आप याद कर रहे हैं इक्वेशन है CXHY X plus Y by 4 O2 Y by 4 O2 XCO2 plus Y by 2 H2. अच्छा what they're asking number of moles of oxygen. Oxygen का मतलब कि X plus Y by 4 है. अच्छा X वैल्यू कितना है, X वैल्यू 4 है, Y वैल्यू कितना है 10 by 4 है. अच्छा कितना हो गया 4 plus 5 by 2 हो गया, 13 by 2 होना चाहिए, 13 by 2 होना चाहिए. ये वाला राइट क्वेश्चन है. कोएफिशिएंट कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, दिस इज द मेथड है, यू हैव टू फॉलो इट. अच्छा दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आइसोमेराइजेशन क्या होता है. अच्छा वी नो साइड चेन कंपाउंड कन्वर्ट इनटू ब्रांच चेन कंपाउंड. अच्छा दिस इज वी आर यूजिंग पेट्रोकेमिकल इंडस्ट्री में यूज करता है. साइड चेन कंपाउंड को मोर नॉकिंग प्रॉपर्टी होता है. In order to avoid the knocking property, side chain compound को branch chain में convert करना. Conversion of straight chain compound into branch chain compound, that is called isomerization. Recently also these questions are asked. अच्छा, we are using a catalyst type presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and HCl gas है. One isomer converted into another isomer. Side chain compound converted into branch chain isomers. Is called isomerization. Generally, petrochemical industry में ये use होता है. Side chain compound को knocking property more है. Incomplete combustion more है. In order to avoid, you can convert it into branch chain compound. अच्छा, NHCN को अच्छा आइसोमेराइजेशन करेगा, आइसोहेक्सेन बनते हैं. सो 2-methyl pentane बनते हैं आइसोहेक्सेन, NHCN to isohexane. अच्छा, N-butane to isobutane. These are conversion of side chain into branch chain is nothing but isomerization होता है. अच्छा, you remember this catalyst I think used asked previously in NEET examination also, JEE examination also. And aromatization also, conversion of aliphatic compound into aromatic compound is called aromatization. These two processes are generally cracking, pyrolysis, isomerization, aromatization are used in petrochemical industry. This is called aromatization or reforming on top. Reforming of petroleum products. N-alkanes, 6 or more than 6 carbon atoms are there. When heated, here also catalysts are very important. We can remember the catalyst. What are the catalysts used? Or alumina, Al2O3. अच्छा, Cr2O3, V2O5, M2O3. Side chain aliphatic compound converted into aromatic compound is called aromatization बोलते हैं. अच्छा देखो, ये N-hexane है, N-hexane को बेंजीन में कन्वर्ट करना, aromatization है. N-heptane को टोलिन में कन्वर्ट करना, N-heptane को टोलिन में कन्वर्ट करना, ये aromatization है. टोलिन है, methyl benzene nothing but टोलिन only. अच्छा, N-octane को ethyl benzene में कन्वर्ट करना और 1,2 dimethyl benzene में कन्वर्ट कर सकता है. अच्छा, 2-methyl pentane, 3-methyl pentane और क्या वाटर, 2-methyl pentane, 3-methyl pentane है. अच्छा देखो, लिखो 2-methyl pentane है, 3-methyl pentane है. ये 2-methyl pentane है, ये 3-methyl pentane है. ये दोनों क्या है? पोजिशनल आइसोमर्स ना, चेन आइसोमर्स. पोजिशनल आइसोमर्स ना 2-3 है. 6 में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, ओनली वन ब्रांच है, वो तो है. मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूले में कोई चेंज नहीं है. मीथेन react with the steam in the presence of nickel catalyst gives carbon monoxide, water gas बोलते हैं इसका, water gas बोलते हैं. preparation of nothing but hydrogen compounds में preparation of hydrogen में water gas है, about 1000 डिग्री सेल्सियस है. This is called water gas बोलते हैं ना, blue gas. water gas बोलते हैं ना, water gas है, nothing but synthetic gas है, nothing but blue gas बोलते हैं. अच्छा, pyrolysis and cracking, higher organic compound, higher alkane converted into smaller alkene and alkynes. Nothing but by cracking or pyrolysis means heat. All this I said now, pyrolysis, cracking, reformation, nothing but aromatization and isomerization, all are involved in petrochemical industry. The decomposition of higher alkanes to smaller fragments is called pyrolysis. This is a free radical mechanism. Don't worry mechanism के लिए. अच्छा, ये क्या क्या fractions आप देख लीजिए, possible fractions है. Alkene बनता है, alkanes, some alkanes also there. The possibility of fractions are there. Higher organic compound into small organic compound. By means of heating is nothing but pyrolysis or cracking. Other is the pyrolysis or cracking. Other byproducts also form. अच्छा देखो, pyrolysis is used to prepare petrol or kerosene from gasoline. Petrol నుంచి మనకి petroleum products నుంచి petrol or kerosene మనం ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలంటే pyrolysis యూజ్ చేయాలి. Ethane under nitration gives nitro vapor phase nitration అంటాం వీటిని. Just like halogenation nitration also there. Just like halogenation nitration also there. अच्छा, here you can use about 450 degrees Celsius है. And then क्या बनेगा C2H5 and O2. अच्छा, सल्फोनेशन के लिए मिनिमम 6 नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स आर रिक्वायर्ड होंगे. नाइट्रेशन के लिए हाई टेम्परेचर रिक्वायर्ड होंगे. बट हैलोजिनेशन टेक प्लेस इन द presence of UV light. Propane under combustion gives what? अच्छा, any alkane under combustion gives CO2 and water. CO2 and water. Some amount of heat energy liberated. Halogenation is nothing but क्या free radical mechanism. Pyrolysis involves what? Cracking, both. अच्छा, dehydrogenation, none of the above, both है. अच्छा, alkane दोनों बनते हैं. Suppose C3H8 है, C2H6 and C2H4 also बनते हैं. Ethane under dehydrogenation gives what? Ethane under hydrogen. Ethane and hydrogen. Dehydration.